to be an Alan Cox, born in 63, white male, 5'8", medium gray hair, possibly wearing blue and gray shirt, khaki slacks. Left on foot, northbound 5th Avenue, possibly en route to wait for a bus, and said he wanted a gun. And getting further, with one bullet, does not have a home address, stayed at the location last night, and came from Sharp Mesa Vista. There's a history of hearing voices telling to do things, and diagnosed with schizophrenia, possibly en route to a nearby bus station. 514 John 97, Grove Street.
Balboa and Kearneyville Road, and we're going to circulate around, starting mileage 46.
10 for your time, 1110.
On 5R 50125.
Go from a distance.
10-4 from 514 John, cover from a distance. Time is 11:11.
953 Edward also. Mileage is 09.
Your time is 11:11 as well.
497 on 10 4.